The future of Audi is here, and it's called the grandsphere. It's a concept car, but it shows us direction of Audi's design and technology. It is a 2+2 seater, 5.35 meters long, and it's got the modern and impressive exterior design. On the front we have modern interpretation of the single frame with new slim headlights that look like the focused eyes. Side profile reveals the short overhangs and the wheelbase that is over 3 meters long. At the rear we have equally attractive lighting units as on the front, and this 2 meters wide concept really does look impressive. Interior gives you a feeling that you are in some kind of lounge area, and because of the special way that doors open, it's easy to get in and out, and of course there is no B-pillar this way. Let's talk about the specs. Two electric motors have a total output of 530 kilowatts and a torque of 960 Newton meters. This car has the 120 kilowatt hour battery. DC charging is up to 270 kilowatts, which means that you can charge the 120 kilowatt hour battery from 5% to 80% in less than 25 minutes. With range of over 750 kilometers, it can drive long distances. Acceleration from 0 to 100 takes just over 4 seconds, and even though it's got the level 4 automated driving, with just one gesture it transforms and suddenly you have a steering wheel in front of you and you can start driving by yourself. I will film the detailed look at this car at the Munich Car Show next week, so stay tuned and tell me in the comments how do you like the future of Audi.